preparation. Place the machine on a clean flat surface and ensure the machine is level. We knock the printhead with this to prevent damage from collisions during transportation. So first we need to remove this part. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides. And now we can remove the protective cover. Connect the voltage regulator. In order to ensure the sublimation printer can work normally under the standard voltage, we need to configure the voltage regulator. The power of the voltage regulator is about 3 kW to 5 kW. Power on for self-test. Connect power. Turn on leakage protection and the printer. After machine self-test, if the printer control panel shows this, it means everything is okay. If there is an error, emergency stop and check the connection lines of the nozzle and each board. And we need to install the Print Manager control software.
Double-click Setup. Select your language. Here we select Role and select Net. Accept the agreement. Click Next. And wait for the installation to complete.
Next, we're going to connect the printer to computer via a LAN cable.
The important thing is to make sure you have a gigabit Ethernet. For wide collection, if you see the word gigabit or GBE in the device name, the adapter is gigabit capable.
Install ink supply system. Turn off the printer. Install the large ink bottles. Connect the no ink line. And then install the secondary ink cartridge bracket and the secondary ink cartridge. Next, we're going to connect the ink tubers. We marked each ink bottle with CMYK. Unscrew the ink cartridge cover and going to fill the inks. Pour the ink into the blank ink bottles one by one. And here we can adjust the ink flow rate. Load the paper roll. Next, we're going to load the paper roll. First, take out the paper filter air shaft. Press the deflation button to deflate. Load the paper roll. Use an inflation pump to inflate. After inflation, the inflation pump will automatically stop. Install the paper filling shaft. Lift the pitch roller and feed the paper out. Make sure the pinch rollers are in the center of the paper and the tightness of both sides of the paper is consistent. Connect the paper take-up shaft. Thread the paper from the bottle shaft to the bag and collect it to the paper take-up shaft. Please note that we need to firmly tighten the paper and tap it from the middle place. Turn on the air shaft control switch. Push the paper clips on both sides to fix the paper. Fill inks. Take out the ink damper. Hold both sides of the ink damper. Do not touch the middle place to prevent the ink from being squeezed out. Draw slowly and firmly until the ink fills the damper. And then insert the ink damper back into the print head. Print nozzle test. Now let's do a clean and print a nozzle check. Print head alignment. And next we're going to do print head alignment. We need to print this calibration chart one by one. And according to adjust these numbers to make all lines straight and zero. Print jobs. After calibration, we import a job and click the print icon to print it.